This is a how-to-do video on shooting sound. There are different types of microphones that can be used. Omnidirectional microphones are used for picking up all ambient sound and dialogue. You use an XLR cable to connect it to the camera. Radio microphones are used for interviews. The directional microphone is used to pick up all dialogue. Mufflers can be used on the microphone. This muffler is used for external shots outdoors as it stops the sound interference, for example wind. This muffler would be used for internal shots. This is the suspension mount. It stops sound interferences. You place it on the microphone into the suspension mount, which is screwed onto the boom. The boom pole can be extended to get a clearer sound during a shot. This is connected to the camera through an XLR cable.